Hi guys, it's me UB programmer, and today I am gonna start a series on DBMS, database management system, which is quite an essential course in every computer science degree or software engineering degree. And the curriculum or the syllabus I am following from for this course is from the virtual university, which will be quite the similar for any university or school you are enrolled in. And you can contact me on this WhatsApp or email if you are enrolled in any master or bachelor program to discuss about your coursework or projects you are working on. Right, let's get started with the lecture 1 of today's video. And let's define the database first. So a shared collection of data is the simplest definition of the database. So there will be data which you have collected or you will be collecting, right? And that data will be shared among many users. So in an organization, it will be shared among different departments. So and departments have multiple users, so it's really kind of a hierarchical thing, right? So data will be shared among many entities. Okay, so let's get a marker and give that. Yeah, and there was a system named as file system, which was used before the DBMS or database management system. And nowadays I think no one used yet uh, for these purposes, right? Like otherwise it can be useful in some other cases, but for the thing we do with database, now we prefer DBMS, right? So no more file system. And what was the reason that we invented or uh, spend a lot of amount of time and cost on developing these DBMS, right? So in file system, every department of an organization use and store their own data. So that was the main problem, right? So everyone has to collect their own data and use their own data in order to develop programs with it, or in order to uh, do some processing on them, right? So they have to do the data storage separately, right? And that was the issue. So in the DBMS, the whole organization will be stored, the data of whole organization will be stored at a single place. So everyone can use this data, and like they own it, right? And but the reality is it is shared among many users, right? And so the duplication of data is removed by the or you can say is very less in the DBMS, right? So duplication of data was also a major problem of this old system, which is the file system, right? To store data and use it. Okay, let's wrap up this lecture, and I will see you in the lecture 2. Thanks for watching.